What if you could multiply any number by 11 in just seconds? Let's try 23 times 11. First, separate the digits. Now add them together. Put the answer in the middle. And the answer is 253. Yes, 23 times 11 equals 253. Let's try another example. Take 42 times 11. Add 4 and 2. Place 6 in the middle. This works for all two-digit numbers. For example, 34 times 11. Add the digits. 3 plus 4 is 7 for 56 times 11, and 72 times 11.